go? Are you ready to show everybody what to take on the Disney trip? Are you going to help me pack for my Disney trip? You are? All right, let's do this video and show everybody what to take on a Disney vacation. Here we go.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fun Getaways, and hello to all my fun travelers out there. This is going to be a quick little pack with me because I am going to my favorite place in the world, Disney. Yes, I ain't got a few days I'm going to be spending in Disney, and I just want to show a little bit how I pack and some of the things that I take on my Disney trips. You guys have seen how I pack for my business trips, how I pack for my cruises, but this is going to be a little bit something how I normally pack for Disney, what I take, and what things look like for those who never been to Disney and wonder what do you take. This is just a quick little video on some of the things you can take on your trip. So first of all, I'd love to take my Disney ears. Those who have not really shop a lot on Disney shops online, I do recommend doing so. All the ears you see here, I've always got them on sale. These are my holiday ears. I have so many more, but I just got these. These are my new ones here, and I got them for $20 on Disney shop. These are my Chip and Dale ears, which I think they're so cute. You can see little Chip and Dale. I had to have those. And these are the ears I get compliments every year I go into the parks. They never bought these ears back, but these ears I did buy actually in the parks. They have never been on sale because they sold out pretty easily, but I just love these. And I also got the cute little necklace, as you can see here as well. Sometimes I may put that on and I may not, but those are my ears that I normally take. This time I'm going to take my Disney bag with me just to put a few items in there. Also, you guys, you can see here I found these really nice jackets in Sam's, believe it or not. They were only about $19. I cannot believe it. Look at the detail on that. Yes, the details are really nice. This one here has Mickey written on it. So I'm definitely going to take this one into the park with me. Also, I found another one with Pooh Bear. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it also had the little piglet on there. I think the sleeves, let me get this for you. The sleeves had Tigger. Also the little donkey on there. And I don't think nothing else was on. Oh, and it also had the P, which was really cute. So these were on sale. You can see the detail in those. I also found a jacket like this online, but they wanted $60 for something like this. So I always say, when you're shopping for Disney, you don't always have to shop in the parks. You can shop online. You can also go to Kohl's. Also Target having a lot of different things. I got this little Toy Story little sleeping gown on the Disney shop, and it was also on sale for $19. So just a few little things how I pack for my little Disney vacation. I normally do try to dress the part. As you can see here, I do try to bring a lot of my different little outfits in here. Also, I want to show you guys my shirts. I normally, I've got this a while back. It's one of the shirts that I love to wear. It's got Disney World on there. I got this actually from the discount store. And this one here I got from my favorite store. It is literally in Disney Springs, but it comes from, I think it's Uno? Yeah, it's come from Uno. And they normally have shirts that's on sale a whole lot as well. It was actually marked down. It had 24, but it was actually marked down, I think, to like $12.99. So sometimes you can find a lot of deals there. Of course, I had this shirt a while back. I also got on the Disney shop online. And I also purchased this one as well. And this is a new one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, very, very, very cute. Also, I got my little slippers here. As you can see, I got that from the Uno place with the Pooh Bear. And I'm also going to bring my sandals because those are very comfortable. So right now, it looks like a jungle. I like always. So I'm going to go ahead and pack. And then I'll bring you guys back when I have everything in order. I think I may take my Disney luggage or I might just take my other one. I'm not sure yet. Just depends on how much I'm going to take. So I'll pick you guys up when I'm a little bit more organized. All right, you guys, I have finally finished packing. I'm going to go ahead and take my Disney backpack instead of the other one. As you can see here, I decided to go ahead and take my regular green bag you guys have seen before. My Disney, cute little Disney bag doesn't work by the handle, so I need to get that fixed. Had some leftover packing cubes, but this time, as you can see here, I did have just one big packing cube here of the things I showed you earlier. I just put everything neatly in there. And on this side, I just have, let me show you guys real quick, my little other black cubes that I've used, undergarments, some little things that you need. Toiletries is in there. As you know, I always use my little good smell dryer sheets, and that is pretty much it. That is going to be my packing for Disney. It's a short trip, so I just don't need too much, and I do recommend sometimes if you are doing something like this, a short trip, not to overpack. There's just no need to overpack. Take the things that you need. Inside of my backpack, I have my ears, my shoes, my information, and that's pretty much it. That's going to be what I'm be carrying. I will pick you guys back up when I get to Florida and show you guys where I'm staying and give you a little bit more ideas of how I unpack. Normally I keep everything in my cubes. I don't really take anything else out. But yep, that is how I pack for Disney. Thank you guys for watching, and please give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I have many, many more travel blogs coming up. I'm going to finish up uploading the cruise blogs that we went on one of the seas. And also, I definitely have my Disney blog here I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And we also have a Disney cruise coming up as well. So a lot of traveling, a lot of great videos to share with you guys. All right, thanks.